Hey loves, welcome to my channel. I'm Chantal Girardi. If you're new, if you're old, thank you so much for tuning into this video and watching this video. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe, like this video and comment, share, everything, you know, the whole deal. So today we are having the ZIMList, as you saw by the title of the video. I don't know why I had to say that, but on today's ZIMList we have hair accessories. We have TASHAMAT MyHairMyCrown. So today we're going to be talking about hair accessories. I was very privileged and blessed to be able to talk to one of Zimbabwe's natural hair care or hair bloggers. Her name is TASHAMAT. So she's a blogger. She blogs about healthy hair. That is her main objective. She doesn't care if your hair is natural, if it's locked, if it's relaxed, if it's cut short. All she cares about is you having natural hair. So she does hair product reviews. She does different hair care regimens. She does DIY, sorry. She does all of that. So in having her journey, she's actually transitioning from relaxed to natural hair. So within her journey, she found out that what her hair wanted, what her hair responded most to, and she decided to start a hair accessory line, which I think is pretty dope because we don't really have many of those here in Zimbabwe. So her hair, well, it's really, guys, it's tricky to say her hair Fudzirake, basically, because guys, like, it's literally so bad. But anyway, she has different accessories like the hair bonnets, she has the hair scrunchies, and she's got the hair scarves. So you guys will see how I did this inside somewhere. I'll slip it inside somewhere in the video, and you guys see how I chipped this cute little look. I was inspired by this hairband and hair scarf, sorry, and I'm just really in love with it. So this is made from Ankara fabric. You guys know I'm big on Ankara. I am a Ankara junkie. I love Java fabric, and this was just something that was playful. It was fun. It was just, I really like it, and I can get away with my hair looking so bad on the inside and no one will even know unless I get into a fight and somebody snatches my headscarf. But other than that, you guys will just think this girl is well put together and she is doing the things even though she's not. But you don't need to know that. So yeah, let's talk about the products that they have. This is Tasha Matipano's card. She's a hair blogger, and at the back are all her details. So she has headscarves, she's got scrunchies. They come in such cute packaging, and this is the other one, and the one that this was in, I don't know where I put it, but this is the ribbon that it was in. So this is the headscarf, and these are the scrunchies. I bought these, and then she kindly gifted this and this to me. Thank you so much, Tash. So let me just talk about the products. The first one are the scrunchies. I really love scrunchies, and I don't know where they all go. Them and socks, same WhatsApp group. And because honestly, after like you having them for such a long time. Oh my god, this is so cute. These are so pretty. These are pretty. So these are the scrunchies. They're also made from Ankara fabric, matching with my headband, headscarf. Sorry, I don't know why I keep calling it headband. With my headscarf. So let me just try to unravel this. So these are made from, so you see what I like, these, they have no metal, so that means it won't affect my hair. Like it won't snag on my hair, it won't pull on my hair. And I can put, this is stretches so much, I can put my braids that I'm planning to get inside this, and it's just going to be pretty awesome. So these are the same color because they're matching with my headscarf. Formation. But yeah, these are the scrunchies. I love these, and these I bought them for $2 US, which is super reasonable, guys. Like, where have you been? And then we have the hair bonnet. So I'm just gonna read a little bit about this, and then yeah. So, do you want a bonnet that not only protects your hair but is beautiful to look at, like me? Look no further. We have these bonnets for all hair types, and if traditional bonnets don't fit all of your crowning glory, our XL bonnet is what you need. So this bonnet is 100% satin. Each bonnet is specially made to order. So if you have a big noggin like mine, you can tell her like, yo Tash, my head is big, yo, so hook me up with the XL. And it's 100% handmade, so these are made here in Zimbabwe, proudly Zimbabwean, and bonnets are approximately 12 inches wide. Yo, I'm just saying, I'm like a 10-inch. I don't know. If you're more than 12 inches, you need to come fetch your life. So 12-inch will fit perfectly, and XL bonnets are approximately 16 inches wide. Yo, what are you doing with 16 inches? Okay, fine, I get it. If you have volume of hair, like that will totally make sense. So I'm unraveling this. I love the packaging though. Sorry. So this is the bonnet, and it's a reversible bonnet. So that means you can wear it with a polka dot on the outside. If you're a dirty little girl and you don't want to wash it, you can reverse it and wear it like this. And you guys, yo, if sis, this is like my shoulder. If your hair is a lot, it will fit. If your head is big, I'm sure you can fit in this. So this is the hair satin bonnet. I really wanted one of these because I hear so many natural hair bloggers and YouTubers talking about, oh, you need a satin pillowcase. I don't have a satin pillowcase. I've just been winging it. So I'm really glad that I got this. Well, I will link all her details down below, her blog, her Facebook, her Twitter, her Instagram, everywhere, so you guys can support a girl. If you're in Zimbabwe, you can order. If you're not in Zimbabwe, I'm sure she does courier. She's based in Harare, but you can get your stuff. She can courier it to you. What else do I want to say? That's basically it. I really love, especially this is such a mood, this is such a look. I'm really enjoying it, and I think I look cute. And yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment, share, like, everything. Just go hard on this comment on this video. Thank you to Tasha. I really love your products, and I am going to be supporting you in the future, girl. Like, I need another bonnet, I need a headband, and I think I need a headscarf. So I hope you guys like this video. Until the next video, guys, be kind to one another and love and light.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.